guys, so today I have used the two palettes from my previous videos that I have used to create the eyeliner looks, and today it was the day for the pink, and this one is in the color Flash. I wish you guys could see through the camera how neon these eyeliners are. It's not showing that much, but the look came out very pretty. I'm so happy, you guys. These two palettes, I have been using it for the last week and they are amazing. I have nothing bad to say about this palettes other than like I think this color wasn't very good, but after that the rest of the colors are extremely pigmented and amazing. They are a little bit powdery. They do have some fallout in the palette, but that's nothing that I cannot manage. I know that the pigmentation does do that to the palette sometimes, but other than that, you guys, I love the colors. They are very, very beautiful, you guys. There are some weird colors in there, but I do love them. And to play with some colors, these are a good recommendation because they are not that expensive and they do perform. So if you want to get your hands into some color, you might want to think about these ones. They are only $5 and they're really good. So I have so far made 3 videos with this, and in each one of my videos I have included one of their neon liners, which are really, really freaking good. I truly recommend those neon eyeliners, you guys. This look is amazing. I love it. I don't know, let me do a light check to see if you guys can see how neon these are. I don't know, I think you could see a little bit there, but I'm not so sure if you can pick that up in camera, but that's amazing, you guys. I love making these colorful looks and using these neon liners. I do recommend them. You will not be disappointed if you use these neon liners, I promise you. Without any further ado, you guys, I'm gonna finish this video. I hope you guys love this tutorial because I did love doing it for you. And if you like these colorful eyeshadow looks, please leave me a comment down below so I can make more videos for you using colorful eyeshadow. Until the next video, bye bye.